Hey YouTube, how's it going? As long as I keep having good luck with the Gypsy Queen, I'm going to keep buying this stuff. As you guys know, I've bought 3 blaster boxes and 2 rack packs. And in those, whatever, Cecil. In those, I've gotten pretty decent hits. 2 Bryce Harper mini. I've got a Manny Machado mini rookie, Phillips jersey, Roberto Clemente, an SP I believe, Cecil Fielder coin card number 2 of only 5, Bryce Harper jumping off the wall, autograph of this guy, here, maybe that'll help, that guy, and of course Mr. Babe Ruth mini numbered 21 of 199. That's just in 3 blasters and 2 rack packs. So, and that's not counting all the nickel and dime dollar cards I got. Lots of $1, $2, $3 cards. So, as long as it keeps being nice to me, I'm gonna keep buying it. So let's see what we got. Let's try it again. I've been buying them at different Walmarts, so it's not like one store is getting all the hits. So maybe I'm just getting lucky and hitting different stores. So Lou Gehrig. Oh goodness, look at that, dude! I'm just gonna keep buying this crap, man. I'm sorry, it's not crap. It's actually awesome. This is really, really awesome. Bundy. Dude, I don't know what to say. I am another blue bordered. I was kind of disappointed with the price of my blue border. John Jay, Kershaw, Jameel Weeks, Wade Boggs blue border. I mean, the book value on it's only a few dollars, so I figured it'd be a little bit more. You know, maybe a $5 card, but way better than the white borders, tell you that much. Diamond, Young, backwards is Rick Farrell, and Adam Dunn is backwards. I believe these are both SPs. Hunter McCarthy. My first mini SP that I've gotten from those, besides the black border. That was awesome. Brooks Robinson, Beltray, no-hitter Bob Feller, Ludwig, Vida Blue, and Ricky Weeks. Put you guys over here. Alright, Loriano, Collision, Perez, Sliding, Derek Jeter. That'll get me a $5 bill. Carter, Cahill, and Brantley. Freeze. Frank Robinson, Bundy on the Aces, Hunter, Zimmerman, and Justin Upton. Fergie Jenkins on the backside. We have, another backwards, we got Phillips, Hendrick, Darryl Strawberry short print, Bryce Harper mini. That's my 3rd mini of Bryce Harper I've gotten. This is like a $10 card. That's pretty decent. I'll put him over here. Mauer, Jenkins, Fergie Jenkins. And last box we have Rutledge, or last pack, Rutledge, Hernandez, Machado, Glove Stories, Dale Murphy, Leak, and Chapman. So, recapping, we've got 3 short prints, Feller, Dunn, Darryl Strawberry. Got an autograph here of Mr. Sure it's not Gene, might be Gene, Segura, Milwaukee Brewers, on card auto. A few decent minis, a few decent other inserts, nothing super major. So, but yeah, an autograph, you know. As long as I keep getting a hit, I'll keep doing it. So stay tuned. I've got a repack box coming up next video. Thanks, guys.